You are special, you are unique, you can do it, you will do it. Say it in your mind that okay, I am feeling this way, I am not saying that I am wrong, but you will do it, and I trust you. It's okay if you are feeling stuck in your life. It's completely okay, guys, to feel that day, but please do something about it. It's okay if you feel lazy someday, if you feel sad, depressed someday, but you have to do something about it. You are the only one who can help you. Okay, so hello everyone, I'm Madhu. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is what to do if you feel stuck in your life. First of all, I am not gonna say what every other people will say, that get out of your bed and you are lazy and you are feeling lazy. No, that is not true. Every one of us will feel lazy at some point of our life. We will feel sad, we will feel depressed, demotivated. Okay, that is nothing to do about your worth, your value, or like something you are not capable of. You will feel this way. But what you have to do about it is journal about it. First of all, if you are stuck in a situation, or if you are feeling very bad or low key, then you should write it down. Journal doesn't have to be a proper book or a proper diary to write it down. Just take a sheet of paper and write all your feelings, what you are feeling right now. Just try to understand why you are feeling that way, what to do to overcome it. So first of all, start writing your problem. If you are thinking the problem in your brain, you are thinking that you will find solution in your brain only, it is extremely wrong. You will never know the answer if you are just thinking at in your brain will continue in a loop, and you are never gonna find the answer of that situation. Okay, you will get stuck in your brain only. Situation बहुत दूर की बात है. And then if you are journaling it in a right way, then you will find a answer. Okay, तो अगर तुमको आंसर मिल गया है, the next step you should do is टेक अ लिटिल स्टेप. नॉट कि मैं 2 महीने का प्लान बना ली, अब उसको हम फॉलो करेंगे तो जाके हम पूरा कंप्लीट कर पाए. नो, दिस इज नॉट द वे. यू शुड डू अ वेरी लिटिल लिटिल स्टेप्स. आज तुम जो हो, तुम कल वो नहीं रहोगे. ठीक है, हम लोग हर रोज चेंज होते हैं. द ओनली कॉन्स्टेंट थिंग इन आवर लाइफ इज चेंज. यू डोंट नो वट यू विल फील इन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. जो तुम बना रहे हो 30 दिन का डायरी, वो सबसे काम नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, 2 दिन का चीज बनाओ, 1 दिन का चीज बनाओ, उसको कंप्लीट करने का कोशिश करो, जो कि डिफिकल्ट लगेगा. मुझे भी लगता है, ठीक है, हर किसी को लगता है, जो कि नॉर्मल है, सेम ही है सब. तो मैं यही कहना चाह रही हूँ कि छोटा, टेक स्मॉल स्टेप. अगर तुम बहुत लार्ज ले लोगे तो वो कंप्लीट करना इम्पॉसिबल हो जाएगा. टेक स्मॉल स्टेप, गो लुक फॉरवर्ड विद इट, कंप्लीट करो. अगर तुम एक टाइम लिमिट बना रहे हो तो उस टाइम लिमिट में शायद कंप्लीट होगा भी नहीं. ठीक है, तो वो दिमाग में लेके चलो कि हाँ, आई हैव टू डू इट विथ माई ओन पेस. दिस इज द थर्ड थिंग यू शुड डू. ये तुम्हारा जिंदगी है, यू आर द ओनली वन लिविंग इट. तुमको जो पेस तुमको तुम्हारा है, वही तुम्हारा परफेक्ट पेस है. अपना स्पीड को किसी और के साथ कंपेयर मत करो. तुम अपना डे फर्स्ट को किसी का डे लाइक 5 years इससे कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग यू शुड डू. तो व्हाट यू शुड डू, जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर ओन पेस, कंप्लीट योर टास्क अ वे कि तुम उस चीज को एंजॉय कर रहे हो. लाइफ में कुछ भी करो, एट द एंड हम सबको खुश रहना है, तो अपने पेस पे करो, खुश रह के करो. और किसी से कंपेयर करके कभी किसी को कुछ नहीं मिला है. ठीक है, अपने पे फोकस करो. यू डोंट नीड टू हरी, यू डोंट नीड टू मैच एनीवन स्पीड. आई नो दिस इज नॉट सो easy line. It is easy to say, obviously, but doing it is not that much easy. Our brain will compare with other, and this is a very human thing. So mainly our brain needs stimulus, and negative stimulus, negative thoughts, negative things are very powerful stimulus to our brain. So brain sometimes just like it. Okay, it happens to everyone, don't worry, it happens to everyone. You just need to relax. Okay, first of all, relax. Do not compare yourself to others. You are special, you are unique, you have your own pace, you have your own speed, you have your own problem, you have your unique solution, and you can do it, you will do it. So we have to think how to do it. We should not compare ourselves with other. And there is nothing wrong if you are feeling bad. Okay, if you are feeling bad, just say it in your mind that okay, I am feeling this way. I am not saying that I am wrong, but whatever I am feeling, it, our brain feels this emotion, and you say, whenever you feel this, just say it in your mind that okay, I am feeling this way. There is nothing wrong with this, but whatever I am feeling, it has not to be right. I can feel anything, but it is not a fact. I am feeling bad. I am feeling very underconfident. I am feeling that I am not worthy of anything. I don't have values. This is just your feeling. You are special. Everybody is special. Everybody is unique. And just process this, okay? That you are special. You will do it, and then you continue with your work. Know that everyone is in a problem in some other way. You have to find your own way to be happy, to feel alive, to feel good in your life, okay? And when you start doing it, your brain will somehow feel a bit anxious because you are in a different state right now. You were stuck in a situation for a long period of time. तो हमारे दिमाग में हो जाता है कि okay, this is our comfort zone. I can stay here, maybe crying, but I will stay here. That's how we find it very difficult to get out of toxicity, because our brain start thinking that this is the comfort I am preferring. Okay, so first of all, your brain will feel bad. Your brain will feel that this is difficult to stay, but this is comfortable. So when you will try, your brain will find different way to not to do this. Okay, so what our brain will do, compare with other and make us feel small, and will say that okay, this is you are very slow, you are not gonna do it anyway, so just stop it, just leave it. बट प्लीज दिस इज नॉट द फैक्ट. जब भी दिमाग में ऐसा चीजें आए, तो जस्ट से टू योर सेल्फ दैट ओके, आई एम फीलिंग दिस वे, इट्स ओके, बट it doesn't mean that whatever I am feeling, it is right. Being right and having a feeling is a different thing. So what I am gonna do, I am going to continue with my plan, with whatever I have thought to do. Okay, you just should not stop because your mind says something stupid. सबके दिमाग ऐसा ही है, सब कोई को नेगेटिव चीजों में डालने का कोशिश करता है, बट यू हैव टू फूल दिस थिंग, यू हैव टू फूल योर ब्रेन. ओके, सो that's the next point, that say positive affirmation. Our brain is something so much powerful but so much lazy. It loves comfort, but it can do anything in the world. So that is the most important and the final part of this video, that just say positive affirmation to yourself. Our brain works based on the belief system, not on based on fact, what is right, what is wrong. If you believe that you can, then you will. But if you think that constantly, like I am not feeling good, I am not, I will not be able to do this, then maybe you will never. So whenever you are saying something yourself, just like think twice before saying, because it will impact in your mind, in your body, and obviously in your situation. So there is a little cheat code for me. We will feel bad, right? We will feel bad about ourselves, and this is very normal. But just please don't, please don't. So whenever you will say something negative to you, which you should not, but maybe someday you will, just put no in it, because the universe doesn't perceive no. Do not say that this is hard. Just try to say that this is not easy right now, but it will. It will give your brain a positive signal, maybe a challenge that yes, I will, I should try, right? And whenever you are saying positive affirmation to yourself, just say it in like positive way and do not put any no in it. Like say, I am feeling good. Do not never say that I am not feeling bad. Say I am feeling good. I am worthy. I am healthy. I will do it. I can do it. I have done it, and I will. Anything happens to me, I will overcome it. I have the power. So, okay, this is for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and comment it, share with your friend who maybe need this. Okay, I love you guys. You all can do it. And just remember that if you are reading one page a day, in a year you can complete a book of 365 pages. So, and this is obviously more than zero. So just try it, just try to get out of your situation. You can do it, you will do it, and I trust you.